Hello everyone, welcome to this video on how to configure the 100% stacked area chart widget in a dashboard using Bold BI. Let's see the overview of a 100% stacked area chart. For the 100% stacked area chart, data will be plotted as areas and stacked so that the cumulative area always represents the 100%. Compare multiple measures using the height of each segment of the curve stacked vertically to know how each subgroup compares to the other in their contributions to the total. Also, show how the distribution of categories as part of a whole has changed over time. Let's start configuring the 100% stacked area chart. This general management dashboard shows the overall status of a telecom service, total subscribers, revenue and expense, subscribers by state, and more. Now, I am going to recreate this network utilization by subscribers 100% stacked area chart for your real-time experience. To configure the chart, I add the required data sources. Drag and drop the 100% stacked area chart from the toolbox into the Design panel. Resize the widget as per the requirement. Under the Properties tab, I provide the widget name and its description. Under the Assign Data tab, you'll see the Data tab open with the available columns from the connected data source. The 100% stacked area chart needs a minimum of one value element and one column element to showcase data. I'll bind the network usage categories under the Measure Value section. Next, I bind the month column in the Dimensions section to get network utilization by subscribers based on month. Then, I apply ascending order. Here, you can also add multiple columns to enable drill down. As you can see, the widget data has rendered properly. The 100% stacked area chart has been successfully configured. Now, let me apply the properties under the Properties tab. Under Basic Settings, by default, the Show Tooltip option will be enabled. It can be disabled if needed. You can also switch chart types. Here, you can customize the value labels by utilizing the options provided. Then, customize the legend names, position, and shape if needed. Next, you can customize the x-axis and y-axis settings based on the requirement. Then apply color formatting to show a different color for each data category. These are the default properties applied when configuring the widget. Now, it is successfully recreated. Let me publish the dashboard to save the changes. This network utilization by subscribers widget measures how much of the network is used by each category of subscribers. The best practices for using 100% stacked area charts in your dashboards include using transparent colors for easier understanding of the data and starting the origin at 0. You should also limit the number of series in an overlapping chart. Finally, I will show you a few dashboard examples that have used 100% stacked area charts. In the Sales Opportunities dashboard, we have used a 100% stacked area chart to display the revenue percentage from the total deals won and lost by month. In the Defect Management Agile dashboard, the 100% stacked area chart shows comparison of the defects and how each defect's distributed over the past 6 months by priority. Likewise, you can use 100% stacked area charts to showcase how the distribution of categories as part of a whole has changed over time in percentages. Please leave a comment with any questions you may have or if there are any additional features you would like to see in Bold BI. Thanks for watching.